Welcome. Today, we're going to explore the benefits of starting an LLC for investing in stocks or trading. You may be wondering, why an LLC? Well, the reasons are manifold. First off, an LLC or limited liability company offers asset protection. This means your personal assets are shielded from any business liabilities or debts. Secondly, an LLC provides tax benefits, with potential for pass-through taxation, where business profits are only taxed once, at the individual level. Moreover, an LLC lends credibility to your investment endeavors. It gives you a formal business structure, which can boost your standing with potential investors and partners. Don't forget to check the link in the description box below. An LLC can also offer you more control over your investments, allowing you to strategize and manage your assets more effectively. This, in turn, opens up opportunities for growth and expansion in the world of stock investing. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the process of starting your own LLC for investing stocks. First things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. This is a critical step in the formation of your LLC for investing stocks or trading. Your LLC's name should be unique, memorable, and reflect your brand's identity. Keep in mind that the name you choose must be distinguishable from the names of existing entities registered in your state. You can check the availability of your desired name on your state's Secretary of State website or business filing office. As for the rules, your LLC's name typically must end with Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation such as LLC. If you're looking for a tool to help you in this process, consider using Tailor Brands. They have a name generator that can help you come up with a unique and fitting name for your LLC. Once you've chosen your name, it's time to register it. This is your first step towards legitimizing your entity and unlocking the benefits of trading under an LLC. Registering your LLC is a crucial step in the process. It's the point where your business entity officially comes to life. This phase involves filing the Articles of Organization, a formal document that formally establishes your LLC with the state. The Articles of Organization is not a one-size-fits-all document. Each state has its own version, but they generally require similar information. First and foremost, you'll need to provide the name of your LLC. This should be the unique name you've chosen and confirmed is available in your state. Next, you'll need to list the names of the members of the LLC. Remember, these are the people who have an ownership interest in the company. Whether it's just you or a group of investors, everyone's name should be included. Then, you'll need to provide the information of your registered agent. This is the person or business entity that will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. It's crucial that this individual or entity is located in the same state where your LLC is registered. The Articles of Organization also typically require a brief description of your business. This doesn't have to be detailed, just a quick summary of what your LLC will do. For instance, you could say, "This LLC will be involved in investing and trading stocks." Once your Articles of Organization are complete, they need to be submitted to the Secretary of State's office, along with the applicable filing fee. Fees vary by state, so be sure to check your state's specific requirements. Now here's a pro tip. To simplify this process, consider using a service like Tailor Brands. They can guide you through the registration process, ensuring all your documents are completed correctly and submitted on time. They'll even provide a registered agent service if you need one. And there you have it. Once your Articles of Organization are approved, your LLC is officially registered. But we're not done yet. There's one more critical step. After your LLC is registered, you'll need an EIN from the IRS. But that's a topic for the next scene, so stay tuned. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your LLC. This 9-digit code is unique to your business and is used by the Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS, to track your company's transactions and tax obligations. Now, how does one go about obtaining an EIN? It's a straightforward process, and the best part is, it's completely free. You can acquire your EIN from the IRS via their online portal. To start, you'll need to fill out the IRS Form SS4, answering questions about your business such as the nature of your activities, the type of entity, and the responsible party. The responsible party is the individual or entity that controls, manages, or directs the LLC and the disposition of its funds and assets. This is typically the LLC owner or one of the owners. Once you've completed the form, you can submit it online, which is the fastest method, or if you prefer, you can mail or fax it. If you choose to apply online, you'll receive your EIN immediately after completing the process. But if you opt for mailing or faxing, it may take up to 4 weeks. So why is an EIN so important? Firstly, the IRS uses it to identify taxpayers that are required to file various business tax returns. Secondly, it's necessary for opening a business bank account. Banks require your EIN to confirm your business's identity and its legal status. Additionally, an EIN is required when you're ready to hire employees or if you decide to change your business structure. It's also used to apply for business licenses and permits. It's safe to say, an EIN is a vital part of your business's identity. So there you have it. Obtaining an EIN is a simple yet crucial step in setting up your LLC for investing stocks or trading. It's your business's unique identifier, vital for tax purposes, and a requirement for opening a business bank account. With your EIN in hand, you're ready to set up your business bank account. A business bank account separates your personal assets from your LLC's assets, which is crucial for personal asset protection. This is a fundamental step in setting up an LLC for investing in stocks or trading. It not only protects your personal assets, but also makes financial management smoother and more professional. Let's break down the process of opening a business bank account. Firstly, you'll need to choose a bank that meets your business needs. This could be a large national bank, a local bank, or even an online bank. It's important to compare the fees, terms, and services of different banks before making your decision. Once you've chosen a bank, you'll need to gather the necessary documents. These typically include your LLC's EIN or Employer Identification Number, which we discussed in the previous segment. You'll also need a copy of your LLC's Articles of Organization and an operating agreement if you have one. Additionally, some banks may require a resolution authorizing your LLC to open a bank account. This resolution typically just states that the member or members of the LLC have agreed to open a bank account in the name of the LLC. The benefits of having a separate business bank account for your LLC are numerous. It helps you keep track of your business's income and expenses. It also makes tax time less stressful, as you won't have to sift through personal transactions to find your business transactions. Moreover, it adds credibility to your LLC. By making payments under your LLC's name, you reinforce your brand and demonstrate professionalism to clients and suppliers. Remember, keeping your business and personal finances separate is crucial for maintaining your liability protection. If you use your personal account for your LLC, you run the risk of losing your personal asset protection. So take the time to set up a business bank account. It's worth the effort. Now that your LLC is up and running, let's talk about how to use it for investing in stocks or trading. After all, that's why you're here, right? The next segment will guide you on how to make the most out of your LLC for investing or trading. Investing or trading under your LLC opens up a world of opportunities. Not only does it afford you certain tax benefits, but it also offers a layer of legal protection for your personal assets. But how do you go about it? The first step is to open a brokerage account in the name of your LLC. This is a fairly straightforward process. You'll need to provide the brokerage with your LLC's EIN, not your personal social security number. Remember that this account is for your business, separate from your personal finances. Many reputable brokerages, both traditional and online, offer business accounts. Do your research to find one that aligns with your investment strategy and offers competitive fees. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start investing or trading. But remember, investing under your LLC isn't a free pass to take unnecessary risks. You should still follow sound investment principles, diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk and aiming for long-term growth. Just as with a personal account, you'll have a range of investment options available. You can invest in individual stocks, funds, bonds, or even real estate investment trusts. The key is to align your investments with the overall goals of your LLC. Are you looking for steady income? Then consider dividend-paying stocks or bonds. If growth is your goal, you might lean towards growth stocks or index funds. As for managing your investments, you have two options. You can either manage them yourself, if you're confident in your understanding of the market, or hire a financial advisor. If you choose to hire an advisor, make sure they understand your business goals and risk tolerance. Finally, remember to keep meticulous records. All transactions, dividends, and capital gains or losses must be reported on your LLC's tax return. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting an LLC for investing stocks or trading. With the right strategy and a disciplined approach, your LLC can become a powerful tool for wealth creation and financial security. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We began by highlighting the power of an LLC, how it offers a solid foundation for your investment journey, and shields your personal assets from business liabilities. Next, we walked you through choosing a catchy and unique name for your LLC, a name that resonates with your brand and complies with your state's naming rules. We then dove into the process of registering your LLC, a crucial step to legally establish your business. Following that, we discussed obtaining an EIN, an essential identifier for your LLC with the IRS. We also emphasized the importance of setting up a dedicated business bank account, a move that further separates your personal and business finances. Finally, we explored the exciting opportunity of investing stocks or trading under your LLC, a strategy that can potentially amplify your earnings. Thank you for watching. Start your LLC today and unlock the potential of investing stocks or trading under your LLC.